the thief.
Papa, why are you wasting time now, eh? You know I'm the one that's going to lead rosary for October devotion, eh?
I'm ready now, let's go.
Eh, Papa, where is Grace?
Well, she says she cannot come for the rosary, but she will join us for the mass.
Eh? Osugini? Siagini? Why?
She says she's having stomach pain. I think you should people's monthly something.
Isugini, you cannot join what? I don't understand. You cannot join as what? Which kind of thought is that? That's it. Instead of you to shout on for your daughter, she's staying at home instead of going to God's house. You are here saying that she cannot go. Yeah, yes! Grace! Hey, Mona! Bini! Stand up on there!
Oh, Rita. Oh, Rita, so I'm having stupid. Please don't please now.
Which one is menstrual pain and pregnancy pain? What is your problem? What is the color of your problem? You know that I'm running late. I told you that I'm the one to lead October devotion before morning mass will start. And you are here telling me that come on, carry your Madam Binyoto. Bring your this thing, bring your Bible.
You cannot rest in this house. Even church.
We going. Where's your rosary? Get us, we go. We going. Which one is that you know? Let me tell you like this.
Yes, Papa.
Where is Rita?
I think she's at the prayer already.
Ah, okay. Yes, madam.
Good morning, sir.
Are you just coming for the morning mass? Mass ended a long time ago. Oh, okay. You are here for the morning prayers. That's where we are headed, so you can.
Sir, I would like to see you.
Is there any problem?
Sir, please.
Ali! Rita! Ali! Why did you not come for morning mass this morning?
I had to come very early to the farm to harvest these yams.
So that's why you did not come to morning mass?
Rita, it was either the mass or this.
Holy sir, you chose work over God. Yay!
I just got this deal to supply this yam. If I didn't come here, I would have lost the business.
You know you have this deal to supply this yam. Why did you not prepare on time? At least you would have delivered yesterday or deliver after morning mass this morning.
Rita, I was just told about this deal just yesterday night.
And you would have told the person that you are not available. You cannot supply it this morning. That you have morning mass to attend to.
I'll tell them that I'm not available because of morning mass. I'll miss my business because of morning mass.
Olisa! Hey! You're the one talking like this, Olisa. Olisa, you're not the one that told me about God. You're not the one that introduced me into God, that told me that morning mass is so powerful.
Rita, calm down.
And since we've been attending it, you know how God has been saving you.
Rita, please, just
God
calm
that brought
down.
this one will bring another one. Are you not the one that used to teach me all those things? And that's what always happens.
Rita, please, do you know what? I think you should just leave me, please. I have to deliver this yam and I have to be very fast. I have a deadline.
Excuse me first. You think the main thing is that you are backsliding? You are not backsliding in faith.
I'm backsliding because I missed one morning mass and I will not sell my yam.
Okay, your mouth is sharp now. The other day you fainted in Nkwa market. Shebi, you were calling on God, telling Mother Mary that you are very happy that they saved you. Now, God has saved you. You are not remember. You are taking yam over God. Harvesting stupid yam, Abi.
It's okay, Rita. It's okay, please. It's okay.
Is that what you're telling me? It's okay. Yeah, come on, let's go. Let's go.
Let's go where? No, Rita, leave me alone.
Let's go for confession now.
I told you I have deliveries to make. Please, I have targets. Leave me alone, Rita. Just go. Because come back later. I don't need to miss my business because of morning mass.
Olisa, I should leave you alone.
Yes, leave me.
I'm trying to win your soul back to God. You said I should leave you alone. Olisa, now I can see that. Okay, you see this yam that you are trying to save. This yam will break. It will break. It will fall into pieces. Bet me.
How can you say?
Except I'm not serving a living God. Except I'm not serving a living God. You see this now, you will not deliver it to the owner. Before you get there, you fall on top of the bike.
Hey,
You just
Rita,
fall down from the bike.
That's what you are saying, no?
Shebi, you know that this my mouth is powerful because I used to fight for God. So whenever I say something, God used to honor it. God will honor this thing that I say today. Then your yam will pieces before you reach the owner. So pray now. The more you talk, the more I add one yam. I add one more yam. 6 of that yam will pieces, no longer 5.
Rita, watch what you're saying, no?
There's power in this my tongue. I'm telling you that your yam will pieces. You will not deliver it to that person. Because since you don't go yam over God.
I'll not have problem with the owner of the yam. I'll deliver my yam and nothing will happen. Just go, please. Don't disturb me.
Thank you.
Papa.
Kate.
Okay.
That woman and 2 of you was discussing in church. What were you people discussing?
Oh, you mean Veronica?
I mean the adulterous woman.
She wanted a little help from the church.
What kind of help?
Financial.
Eh? That adulterous woman.
How can you say that about a widow?
Which widow, Papa? I don't understand what you are saying. Papa, stop all these things. That woman, she is a very, very bad person. Somebody that got married to a first husband, got married to a second husband. Even it says, I see now that made her second husband to die.
How does that make her adulterous?
Because she's not supposed to marry 2 husbands, and she married 2 husbands. The Bible says marry only 1 husband and don't marry a divorcee. She after divorcing her first husband, she now went to marry her second husband. That's it.
Rita, you take things too literally and too far. Be careful.
Papa, I'm not taking things too far, Papa. I'm not taking things. Why is she coming to you for help? Why are you helping her? Are you her personal Lord and Savior? Are you the one that's supposed to help her?
Rita, the church owes it to everyone in the community to render the best possible help any way it can.
The church owes it. So you should start rendering help to anybody, any way you can, Papa. That means you have not thought the kind of help. Maybe it's this kind of help now that she wants you to render. I am very sure. Because what concern you concern that woman? Papa, mind the kind of help you are rendering to people before you enter one chance. So don't say I did not want you. I'm telling you the truth. Papa, there's something I want to tell you don't know. Sometimes you are used to tell me. Sita, you always be talking anyhow. You always behaving anyhow. The thing that I'm securing the spirituality of this household. And it's because the order came from above. Papa, you know every time you be wondering why I'm like this. I'm trying to safeguard you. Do you know what Mama told me on her dying bed?
What did she tell?
Mama called me. She said, Rinwam. I said, yes, Mama. She said, Riri, my child, don't allow the spirituality of this house to go down. Your father is a good man, but your father don't get himself. Your father don't know himself. Uphold the spirituality, and that's what I'm upholding.
She has no right to tell you that.
Why, Papa?
After all, you were only 10. What did you know?
Papa, you said I was only 10. What did I know? Papa, if I tell you what 10-year-old children know nowadays, if I tell you what I know then, your ear will tingle. Papa, forget that thing you're saying. I know some, even when you and Mama, sometimes in the night, people be making noise. Like, there's a kind of noise people swear. I know. I know how to talk that noise, so it's not my ear.
You must guard your utterances. What do you know about noise?
Like, pa.
And whatever you do, right or do it right, oh. For everything you do, you must do in a holy way.
Holy.
If you want to talk, come in a holy way.
Rita. I was not expecting to see you here.
I brought food for you. If I don't bring food for you, what will you eat?
You don't always have to bring me food. I can take care of myself.
It is my duty to take care of you. Because I'm your friend.
Rita, you're just my friend. And I see you as a sister.
I don't understand. I'm your best friend. I'm just doing my Christian duty. I'm taking care of my Christian brother. So just take it like that. For now.
eat before the food will get cold. And Oli, you see what happened in the morning? I absolve you of your sin. I forgive you.
Hmm?
Did your name still break? Did it break?
You said I should fall from the bike now.
Did you fall?
You also said I'll have issues with my client and we'll have a big fight.
Did you have issue? See, let me tell you, you know that there's power in this my mouth. So when I was leaving, I was so angry. Then the Holy Spirit now ministered to me, says, stop now, don't be angry with him. And I knelt down in the middle of the road. As I knelt down, I just raised up my hand. I say, Father, forgive Oli, for he does not know what he's doing. Immediately, I just look up to the sky. I just saw this thing just do. The Holy Spirit just accept my speech. He showed that he has forgiven you. So that's how I knew that nothing will happen to you. So did you fall?
I did not fall.
Because I know that if you fall by now, maybe you'd have broken your spinal cord and they would have taken you to FMs.
Then what are you saying? There is power in your tongue and you're saying another one. You just said that my spinal cord will break now.
No, I said I didn't be you fell down from the bike the way I prayed for you to fall. Before you use your spinal cord, that would have just... Maybe by now would have been using siren to carry you.
Amara, how much did you make today?
I think about 32,000.
32,000. What of the 2 bottles of beer you gave Pa James?
Mama, he begged me that I should give it to him on credit, so
Amara,
I promise I'm going to collect the money.
Amara, please. I don't know. This is your mother Christmas. Biko, Ngwa, go back and lock up this. Let's
Mama,
go now.
Wait. I just got an inspiration, right? There's something I'm thinking, I'm suggesting. So I'm thinking, instead of just drinks, let's add pepper soup to it. Maybe pepper soup and agidi, something like that.
I've never thought of that. In fact, that's why I have you. That's an amazing idea.
Okay.
We will look into it. In that case, I think you will meet that guy that sells yam now in bulk.
Olisa.
Yes. So that he can supply us. At least let's start from there. Thank you for this wonderful idea. Ngwano, go and load the shop.
Okay.
Ngwa, be fast, Biko. Also, so.
To do it right, For everything you do, you must do in a holy way. Try. If you want to talk,
My children.
even if you want to laugh, you act like a child of God. What if you want to make friends? So be careful.
Olisa.
Good morning, sir.
How are you, my son?
Friends.
Are you chance? There's something I'd like to discuss with you.
Hey, sir. I have a lot of things to deliver to my customers. Maybe when I'm done.
Well, okay. It's fine.
All right. Okay. Let me wanna meet Rita.
All right, then.
Did you hear what that woman said in church?
Everybody has been telling us from Ghana access.
Did you remember that drama? That drama that we had when we were very young.
Wait, too.
The children drama now that we acted when we were very young.
I remember I was your husband and Grace was our first child.
and Grace now forgot her life. She started crying.
Oh, that thing you did was very, very good. That was the exact day that I knew that you and I would be very good friends.
Really? Police, sir.
Huh?
Good morning.
Morning.
Please, can I see you 1 minute?
Okay. Let's go.
What were you discussing with her?
Business.
Which business? Since when did you start doing business with Chichi the Black Witch?
Ha. Chichi the Black Witch.
Eh, now.
Why won't I do business with her? Is there a problem?
Have you not noticed that she has not received Holy Communion for more than 2 months now?
Rita and so.
It means that there is a confession, there is a sin she has not confessed yet. That's why she's not receiving Holy Communion. And it's going to affect you. It is going to affect your future. People like her
Rita,
now,
Rita,
you know
please.
that she's black. All these people now that are very black, and they used to, they are black,
Rita,
they were black.
Rita, you know what? Just go. I'll see you in the evening. Just
But
go.
I want to be sure that she's not coming to your house in any way. You understand? I don't want her to see.
Why won't she come to my house? So I won't do business again because she's not receiving Holy Communion.
No, because
Rita,
her sin is
Rita,
not her
leave me.
sin.
Just go. Rita, go. I'll see you in the evening. Okay, ne?
Even if you want to laugh, you act like a child of
Why are you following her direction?
to make friends.
I know my direction.
Ayo, bachala nyagio. You must be holy. You want to go to beer parlor. Fear, abomination. You must go for confession for a very bad decision. It's a legal or don't. Abomination. You must go for confession for a very bad decision. And the only solution, you must be holy. Holy, 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 holy.
What is wrong with Grace? Eh? Once you just send that small thing, she will just want to spend eternity there. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. T.
Nah, Grace, your own is too much. Oh. Your own is too much. You know that Olisa will come here today. You just want to sleep inside the market. No, take mattress and go and sleep there now.
I did sit tight so I bought cocoa.
Hey, come here. What do you mean by
Nothing.
What is
Nothing. Rita, don't want problem or nothing.
Hey, madam, come here. Which one is that you don't want problem? Tell me what it is.
Nothing.
See, if you don't tell me, I will not give you food this night. Bet it. No, bet it.
Oh, Rita, has he gotten to that?
What is it? What happened in the market?
Rita, it shows that I can see how you are trying so hard to prepare for this your Olisa's visit.
Olisa?
Meanwhile, I saw them along the road. Olisa and Amara. I don't know what they are doing there. Wait now. Chelukwa, nothing was going on between them. Nothing was going on between them. It's just that you know how all these villagers, the way they think of Amara, and nothing was going on.
Olisa and Amara, you saw them together? In what position?
Nothing was going on. But Rita, nothing was going on. If you don't tell me, how did they stay? Nothing.
I'm getting too old in this my service as a catechist. But I cannot fully resign. You know, I take care of my family from the little the church pays me. So I've been thinking. I think I need an assistant. Someone who can carry some of my problems on his shoulders. And the only one I could think about is you.
Kati, I'm not sure I'm ready for this.
You can go home and think about it. I do not expect you to accept immediately. But just let me know once you make up your mind so I can discuss with the priest.
I will go home and think about it then.
Mm-hmm. Rita, you did not bring food for Lisa?
For who?
For him?
For Lisa. Sorry, we don't have food for him.
I don't understand.
We don't have food for him. Must he eat every time he comes here? He can go to his house and eat.
It's fine. I ate at home before God.
He eat every time.
I'll be doing that.
It's okay then. Just think about what we discussed, okay? Take care.
In whatever you do, right or do it right. Oh. For everything you do, you must do in a holy way.
Rita, wait now. Are you not the one that I'm calling? Eh? The way you people rushed out from the church, is everything okay? Is there a problem?
Melissa, good morning.
Grace, good morning. Rita, are you okay?
Sister, let's go. That's if you want.
Rita! Rita! Rita!
But Rita, are you supposed to be keeping malice? Are you no longer a Christian?
If I slap you with this my left hand, if I slap you, you just become deaf overnight.
Sorry.
Who are you to judge me when my God has not judged me?
Because if you do good, good, only good, is waiting for you. And if you do bad, bad, no more kingdom is waiting for you. Holy, holy, holy,
Pa Thomas, you said it's owing how much?
8,000.
8,000. Hi.
And there's this other man that is owing us 4,000. He said he promised to bring it.
Please collect this money now, eh? He owed 12,000 naira outside. Amara, try to collect this money now, eh?
I said you'll come.
Good evening, ma'am. Please, ma'am, I was hoping you would help me. I and my children have not had anything to eat since morning.
Is that why you're perambulating up and down at this time? They should be sleeping.
Ma, I was hoping that if people see me with them, they will be able to help us and give us something to eat.
Okay. Sit down.
Thank you, ma. Yeah, ma. Sit down. Amara, this business we just started. You're already using it to do Mother Christmas. You will pay me, oh.
No problem. Take it from my salary.
Eh? Salary?
Mm-hmm.
What salary are you talking about?
Oh, you don't know you're supposed to be paying me?
Me? Pay you?
Mm-hmm.
You are not serious. Pay you salary. Because leave me alone, because
It's just that they remind me so much of us when we first moved to this village. And knowing these villagers, they won't help them.
okay, I was only joking. I'm happy with you. Give them something.
Yes, I'll do. And about that man, don't worry, we'll bring the money.
Okay. Ngano, your money. Please bring more.
It's complete. Madam, what are you people doing here? Eh? This is not a place for kids. Even if you don't have respect for yourself, don't you have respect for these kids?
When I came to the church for help, did anybody agree to help me? Now that God is using Amara to help me and my children and I, you're here talking.
Hey, God is using who? That alcoholic Amara. What does she have to give to you people? Eh? You're bringing these small children here to the back to be seeing what? Seeing where people are smoking and drinking. And you think that's the good thing for them? Eh? Is that the path you want them to follow? Better take these children out of this useless God-forsaken back. Hey.
And one would think that Olisa, the Christian, should know not to judge anyone.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you.
I did not.
No, I beg. Please just leave our alcoholic shop, I beg.
What if you want to make friends? So be careful, oh. Aye, bachala nyanyo.
You have not yet made up your mind about joining the ministry.
I am still thinking about it, but once I make up my mind, I'll sure let you know.
Okay, no problem. I believe you'll be coming for the basic Christian community this week.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Because I want you to share the word.
Wow. That won't be a problem, sir. I'll be there.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, my dear.
Workers of iniquity. Just look at what she's wearing. Something she's supposed to wear under her clothes. She's wearing it outside, all in the name of trouser.
Sir, I have to go back now.
Okay, it's okay, no problem. Don't forget, you are leading BCC this week.
Olisa, why are you following the way of iniquity? Olisa, are you going with iniquity? Why is he following the path of iniquity? Don't mind him, bless. Olisa, where are you going to?
For everything you do, you must do in a holy way.
Come on, let's go.
Peter, let's go.
If you want to talk,
Like he's getting close to that guy. I don't understand the movement that this their movement. And the guy is even shaking her. No, wait, let us. No, leave it.
bachala nyanyo. You must be holy. You want to go to their palace. Abomination. You must go.
You came to see me. I thought you were keeping malice with me.
I'm forgiving him.
And you brought me food again today. Peter, I have told you to stop bothering yourself. Bringing me food all the time. I can take care of myself.
Olisa. Olilim. Oli. We have been friends for a very long time. No, answer me. Sure, you know that we have been friends for a very long time.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you know we have been friends for a very long time. And you're the only male friend that I have. But you don't respect me at all. You keep disrespecting me. Why?
How do you mean?
What I mean is that villagers think that we are together.
So?
So the kind of things you do, you put me in bad lights. And it's not good for me. You have to stop.
Things like what?
Things like talking to anything under skirts. Especially that bad woman, daughter that used to use wear tights that is meant to be worn inside. Like my own now, though I don't want to show you because I'm the only man that I've seen pay my bride price. But don't look small. Is this one not tight? Is it not what I'm wearing inside? But she will just open it water outside. Everybody will be seeing you just to seduce people like you.
Rita, so this is what all this is about? Eh?
See, please stop. You have to take me serious. I'm very, very serious. I'm very, very serious. Very soon now, the villagers will think that you are cheating on me.
Rita, let them think whatever they want to think. We're not together. And you cannot ask me to stop talking to my customer because it makes you uncomfortable.
You mean she's just your customer?
Yes.
Like, nothing attached, no strings attached?
Nothing attached, no strings attached.
Like, even like her flat nyash is not, you're not attracted to it.
Is this what you were talking about? Flat nyash, is that what you came all the way to talk about?
No, it's not the want to. I know I have, my nyash is very big, just that.
Amara, wait now. Amara.
Stop following me.
Amara. Amara, please, I am sorry. Amara, I said I am sorry now. I'm sorry, please.
Olisa, what exactly are you sorry about?
I know I judged you without knowing the real you, and I am sorry.
Okay.
Does that mean you are forgiving me? Eh?
Olisa, I just said okay. What else do you want?
I want you to forgive me, please.
Okay, I forgive you.
So would you be coming for a basic Christian community on Friday?
What's this? Is this some sort of intervention for the alcoholic?
No. I thought you said you are forgiving me, Amara.
Yes, I said that. But who says I've forgotten?
I'm sorry now. I'm sorry.
Please.
Please. Okay, wait. Promise me that you're going to think about it. Is that a yes?
Oh. That is I'll think about thinking about it.
I mean, I'm sorry, please.
Thank you all for coming for today's BCC meeting. Today, the readings in church shows us what it means to put all our trust in God. But I'm not going to be the one to shed more light on it. Olisa?
Avi. I'm going to put Matthew 11:12. It says that right from the days of John the Baptist, the kingdom of heaven suffered violence, and only the violent take it by force. John 3:16, for God so loved the world that he sent his only begotten Son, that whosoever believes in him shall not perish, but have an everlasting life. So now we'll now switch into Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed are you amongst women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners, now and at the hour of our death. Amen. You know that can give the with yours.
We don't need yam, so what are you doing here?
I know. Since the last time I invited you for BCC, you still haven't showed up.
But I told you I was going to thinking about it.
Are you still thinking about it? Listen, come for BCC. You need such Christian gathering. It will help build your faith and keep you grounded in the things that you want to do. Just come, even if it is once.
Okay, I'll try.
All right. I'll be looking forward to seeing you.
In whatever you do, try to do it right, oh. For everything you do, you must do in a holy way. If you want to talk, even if you want to laugh, like a child of God. What if you want to make friends?
What did you mean when you said? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
What are you doing here? I know you people won't need you until Friday.
What did you mean when you said the BCC would give me some bearing?
It helped me too. So I was thinking it can be of help to you too.
How? Because your life looks like it needs some help.
Ouch.
You're still a local farmer.
Ouch. Ouch.
It's the truth.
Well, I don't plan on being a local farmer forever. And the BCC helped me. It helps me be grounded and be focused on my plans.
How?
I can decide to spend my time on frivolities like partying, smoking,
Oh,
drinking.
there we go again. Throwing an indirect jab at my mother's bar. What do you even have against bars?
I just think nothing good comes out of there aside having fun.
The thing is, you have a very funny and distorted belief about life. And that is why you will remain a local farmer forever.
How?
What's your plan? Tell me.
Well, I don't intend to remain a local farmer forever. I am hoping that one day I'll get a big client from the city and...
Nonsense. Hope. Hope is not a plan. Okay, see. I'm being extremely friendly at my mother's bar to get enough customers for her to help me get my JAM form so that I can gain admission into the university and study computer science. So while in school, I am going to learn a programming language, do some virtual jobs to support my mother, and when I'm in my finals, I am certain that would have moved us out of this village. Now that's a plan. And guess what? I am not the one attending BCC.
Like you said, I'm just a local farmer. And there are limits to what I can think of.
That's a lie. Okay. Have you considered expanding? I mean, instead of just yams, you can do vegetables or fishery. Just expand. Do you even think of exportation?
Wow. This sounds good. I've never thought about this before.
Wow. I didn't think you give in so easily. Just like that.
Well, I still think you need to join a Christian community. You can study the Bible verses and it will help keep you grounded so that you can achieve all these dreams and plans you've made for the future. I think you should attend once. Just once, please.
Okay. On one condition.
What is that?
You're going to visit my mother's bar.
Eh?
Look, I need to change your mindset and your funny belief about everything. Just visit my mother's bar. Deal?
For everything you do, you must do in a holy way. Try. If you want to talk, talk in a holy way. Even if you want to laugh, do am like a child of God. What if you want to make friends? Oh, be careful, oh. Aye, bachala nyagi. You must be holy. You want to go to be a palo. Fear, abomination. You must go for confession for a very bad decision. It's a legal or don't. Abomination. You must go for confession for a very bad decision. And the only solution, you must be holy, oh. Holy, oh. Holy, oh. Holy, holy. Holy, oh. Holy, oh. Holy, oh. Nsa, nsa. Holy, oh. Holy, oh. Holy, oh. Igadiriri. Holy, oh. Igadiriri. Holy, oh. Holy, oh. Because if you do good, kingdom. Good. Kingdom. Only good. Kingdom is waiting for you. And if you
So this passage teaches us about faith. Am I right? You are our newest member, so I am going to start with you. What is your definition of faith?
Thank you. Faith is when we believe strongly in God.
That's a good definition.
Hey.
And
Sorry, sir.
Rita,
Yes. I want to explain. Faith is a supernatural gift from God by which we believe without doubting what God has said, according to the Catholic doctrine. So had it been you have attended catechism or received First Holy Communion, you will not be here saying faith is a very all kind of nonsense talk. Faith is when we believe in God.
Well, if you were actually listening, you should have heard when the catechist said, my definition of faith, not the Bible's, not the catechism doctrines. But no, you chose not to listen, but to spoil this beautiful session by being judgy.
Who is judging this
You!
one? Look at this one. Judging who? Judging who? Am I the one that told you that you should not know anything? That your head should be blockhead?
Calm down.
Eh? She doesn't know anything. You can see that she's just saying rubbish now. I have to correct her. Huh? Am I the one that asked her to have blockhead?
both of you are correct. Faith is all about believing.
But faith is all about believing. But if you want to explain it in our own faith, you understand? Lisa, you understand what I'm saying?
Is she always like that?
You know, contrary to what you think, Rita is one of the sweetest people I know.
Making excuses for your girlfriend.
My girlfriend? No, she's not my girlfriend. I know Rita can sometimes be overbearing, but she has a very good heart.
Whatever you say.
So tell me, how was today's meeting?
I think I like how the catechist emphasized on faith. It was eye-opening. Yeah.
I'm happy to hear that. Something good came out of this.
Yeah. I hope you're still coming to the bar.
Hey, the bar. I don't know.
Olisa, no. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't change your mind last minute. Which one is you don't know now? We had an agreement.
Okay.
Let's go, Joe. Stop now.
I mean, it's still because of that guy. That guy is not good. He close that guy.
Hi guys. How are you? How are you? I'm open a bag.
Yeah, you open a day.
How are you? Ama told me that you are the one supplying yam. Is it true? I have a business for you. Yes. I have a very good business for you.
Why are you looking at me like that? Are you okay?
Tell me it's a lie.
What?
That you're coming from the bar. So it's true. You went to the bar.
Dad, calm down. It's just a bar now.
A place we both hated. Have you forgotten how much we laugh at people who see there?
We laugh at them because they spend their entire day there. I'm not spending my entire day there.
That is how it starts now. From a day to enter 2 days, then every day.
Peter, please, just calm down. Calm down, Pico.
It's Amarabi. Just look at what she's turning you into. You have to stop saying her.
Wait, Rita, is all this about me going to the bar or you're just jealous?
What if I'm jealous?
Amara and I were just friends now.
2 weeks ago, she was just your customer.
Rita, please. Amara is just my friend. I don't know why you keep making me explain all these things to you.
Because we are in love.
Rita.
And your friendship with Amara is jeopardizing
Rita,
it.
calm down, okay? You're my friend and we've been friends since
We are not just friends. Have you forgotten? We have been in love since we were 15. Deny it.
Rita, we are no longer 15.
You know, Olisa, I've always known that you make a good catechist. So I prepared myself mentally as your wife. I have never missed mass for one day because of you. I have never missed going for confession for one day because of you. I have never missed going for communion because of you.
Rita, I did not ask you to do all these things.
I did it because I'm in love with you, because I love you.
And I love you too, but not in the way that you're seeing it.
This is not you. This is not you talking. It is that evil spirit that that girl has deposited inside of you. But I know how to cast it out. Trust me, I will cast it out in the name of Jesus. But for now, go back to God and beg for forgiveness of sin, because you have committed adultery. So,
Lisa, what are you doing here?
I went to the bar to leave for you, but your mother said you'd be here.
Oh yes, I just want to do a little cleanup before joining her at the shop.
That's good. I came to say thank you. The deal, I got it. Yes, the one Mr. Thomas helped me with.
It's a lie.
I got it. Do you know that they have 3 other restaurants in the city and I will be the only one supplying them with yams?
Wow. Oh, this is good news. Congrats.
Thank you so much. Well, thank you for making me come to the bar that day. Thank you.
Wow. Wait. Olisa, you just thanked me for bringing you to the bar. Wow. What must be ending?
Yeah. This is for you.
What's this for?
That's your own share of the deal. You helped me get it.
No. Lisa, you don't have to. No, I can't take it.
No, it's fine, okay? You can keep it for your jam form.
There in the city, you'd hardly see guys that like church the way you do.
Well, most guys in the city weren't raised by the church.
Oh.
I never knew my parents. The villagers said I was abandoned in front of the church, and the Reverend sisters took me in and took care of me till I was 18.
Wow. I can't imagine how that feels to not know your parents. I lost my dad some years back, and it's been awful.
Sorry about that. I guess that's why you moved back here.
Yes. After I lost my dad, things got really difficult, so we had to move back here.
So how are things now? Are they getting better? I mean, the bar is not doing bad, is it?
Yes. All thanks to amazing customers like you.
What? But you know, I'm not always going to come to the bar.
I know. But whenever you come, just make sure you buy as much things as possible.
Then I might as well just buy the entire bar.
Of course, if you want to buy the entire bar, who am I to stop you? You can as well buy me too. No, I don't mean buy me in that sense of the word. Like, when you buy the bar, you can buy me too, run the bar for you. I should stop talking. Thank you for walking me home.
My pleasure. You're a delight. I mean, it's a delight to walk you back home.
Very, very obvious that guy is using sham on himself. Did they tell you that he's dating you? What do you mean did they tell me that he's dating you? Is it not obvious? Is it not glaring to the face? Are you not seeing it? Everybody in the village is seeing it.
I'm not sure if they are dating, Rita. They are not dating.
What do you mean you're not sure if they are dating? Well, I don't even have anything to say to you because you're a child. You will not even understand. So I will not even talk about it. How would that girl just come and reap from where she did not sow? You don't even know the implication of this thing, no? Grace, the implication is that if I allow this girl to take over Olilim, that means he will no longer be mine. Very soon he will start avoiding me. He has not even started avoiding me. What am I even saying?
Rita, stop this. They are not even, I'm not sure if they are dating. They are not dating. Stop this.
Grace, did you brush this morning?
What I know is that they are not dating.
God. Grace, why did you not brush this morning? I've told you, stop using that chewing stick you are using. You will not have mouth odor. And it's very bad for you. Respect yourself and go and brush your teeth too. Because this is the kind of thing that you will do. No wonder nobody has ever said hello to you. Because I wonder if they say hello, your eye will be, the odor will just finish a man.
I will still get married.
How will your husband succeed if they say kiss your bride? I beg, it's not your own that is even my problem now. That's the problem. Kaya. Because of only sir, every day I've been praying 60 decades on his head. But no, I know what to do. There's no need to waste my time. I know what to do. That girl, that fry pan yash cannot come and collect my man. It's not even possible. There's no need talking to a senseless person like you. I think I know what to do. Because, let me just tell you, I will not just be here. Somebody will just come and snatch something that is not belong to you. How can that get? If not for Christianity. Is it not what she's wearing that I'm wearing inside? If not for Christianity, I will open it and go to the streets.
If you want to talk, even if you want to laugh, you act like a child of God. What if you want to make friends? Oh, be careful, oh. Bachala Nyagio. You must be holy. You want to go to be a palo. Fear, abomination. You must go for confession for a very bad decision. It's a legal no don't. Abomination. You must go for confession for a very bad decision. And the only solution, you must be.
You're not sleeping. Amara. What?
So this is why you asked me to come home, so that you can lock the shop.
Mommy, you're the one that said your head was aching. So I told you to come home and rest.
Amara, I thought you told me you were interested in jam.
I didn't know you have added husband to the list.
Husband? Oh, Olisa. Mommy, Olisa is just a friend. He's just a friend, nothing more.
Olisa is just a friend.
Amara, look at me very well. Do I look like a baby?
No, do I look like I am sucking? I am watching you. Olisa is just a friend.
No, Olisa is just a friend.
Kati, I've thought about it and I think I'll do it.
That's good news, my son. Huh? You see, you will not regret this. There are benefits to being a catechist.
Hey, I just accepted to be your assistant first, too. Only that.
The funny thing is, everyone already sees you as a catechist, except yourself. You see, I already knew that you were going to say yes to be my assistant. That's why I've gone ahead to fix a meeting with the parish priest. Oh, yes. You see, on the 16th, Father will be around. We'll meet in church. Then we can go see him. There are some certain things you need to do. And it's in the best position to tell you.
All right. Kati, I have to run along now. I have a lot of things to do at the farm.
Don't forget, 16th.
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 Right.
Don't forget.
I won't.
In whatever you do, try to do it right.
This is good.
For everything you do, you must do in a holy way. Try. If you want to talk, talk in a holy way. Even if you want to laugh, you act like a child of God. What if you want to make friends? So be careful, oh. Bachala Nagio. You must be holy. You want to go to the palo. Fear, abomination. You must go for confession. For a very bad decision. It's a legal or don't go. Abomination. You must go.
How do you sleep at night? How do you sleep at night?
Rita is okay.
Rita, mind yourself. Mind yourself. Because you're not going mad.
Hey! This is what I want. Hey! Bring it out. Bring out the devil in you. The devil that everybody knows inside of you. Bring it out.
Rita is okay.
Are you crazy? Is something wrong with you?
See, let me tell you. Let me warn you. You see you. Stay away from Olisa before I will slap you. Stay away from Olisa. Respect yourself. I don't care what you and that your useless mother is.
Are you crazy? Are you mad? Are you mad?
Wait.
Are you mad?
Hold on. Hold her leg first. Hold her leg.
Rita. Hey. Rita.
No, wait. Baby,
it's okay. Amara is okay.
Get my glasses. I'm not seeing. Wait.
Amara, it's okay, please.
If not for anything, the fact that I am
but
the catechist.
Papa, she started it.
Even though, are you not the one always talking about Christian values?
Papa, the fact that I'm a Christian does not make me a Mugu. I'm not supposed to be a Mugu because I'm a Christian.
Are you not the one always talking about Christian values?
Me, talking about Christian values. Papa, let me tell you, even Jesus in the Bible, he beat the people that were selling inside his father's house. So, Papa, because I'm a Christian does not mean that I'm a Mugu. I'm not a Mugu.
Can you hear yourself speak? Are you not embarrassed that the whole village is talking about how the daughter of the catechist was fighting shamelessly in public?
Me, ashamed? God forbid bad thing. I can never be ashamed. Where were they when I was training him? Is it not the food I've been giving to him that made him get to that height? Papa, even the Bible said that the kingdom of God suffered violence and the violent will take it by force. I will take my portion by force. Nobody will collect Olisa from me. See you now, you are not always violent. You're always quiet. That's why people used to talk to you anyhow, do you anyhow. Me, I will not try it. I will not try it. I will not try it. I will fight. I will fight. Fight with my last God. I will fight to get my man.
For everything you do, you must do in a holy way.
Nobody can make me stop fighting for my man because they say I'm a daughter of catechist. So I will not fight for my man again. They have not even known me. This is just the beginning of the battle. Oh, my father think because he's a catechism, he'll come and start telling me, blackmailing me because I'm a doctor of gospel.
I heard Rita fought you because of me. I'm sorry about that, please.
Okay. But you surprised me. I mean, instead of taking Rita's side, you're taking my side.
And is it a good or bad surprise?
I don't know.
I'm sorry for what Rita did, please. Hmm?
Okay, it's fine.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. T.
I have to go now. Bye. Rita, what are you doing here?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, really. See now, see what you are turning me into. You are gradually turning me into a monster.
Rita, so it's my fault. Eh? It is my fault, that's what you're saying. You stopped an innocent girl on the road, you fought her because of a man that is not even your boyfriend, and here you are saying it's my fault.
Now, who told you now you are not my boyfriend? You are my boyfriend in the making. We've been together now. You know we love each other. We have been like this before that witch of a girl came into the...
Please, leave Amara out of this. And whatever you think in your head that we have, erase it because it's not real.
No, it's real. Who said it's not real? It's very real. Two of us were in love. You know that. Two of us is only we that fit each other in this world. Though. You cannot marry another person. I cannot marry another person. Okay, don't worry. I understand. This is my matured age. You don't like it. I will go back to my little age. Like the 15 years. When I was 15 years old, I will go back to that age. I know that's the type you like. Those times now, I used to open my skirt, wear labo, be following you up and down. All those times we used to go to confirmation. All those things. Have you forgotten? How we went to confirmation class, baptism, we received first Holy Communion together. Is that you really forget easily?
Rita,
it's only me and you.
Rita.
God has ordained it. What God has signed. Don't be the enemy of progress.
Rita,
God
please.
will fight you if you even fight.
Rita,
if you try to fight what God has
just leave
ordained.
me. I have to go and work. Please.
No, stop. You cannot walk now. I'm trying to tell you that we are meant for each other.
Rita, please, just leave me. I have to work.
You know it's only two of us that fit each other now.
Rita, please. Rita, leave me.
Olilim. Oli. Olilim. Olilim. Le. Nene.
If you want to talk.
Olisa. Olisa.
You're here.
I'm here. How are you?
Good morning, bro.
You're welcome.
It's not you.
I've been looking for you since.
Yeah?
What happened? I'm looking for you everywhere. I didn't see you. Anything the problem?
I'm just coming from my farm. I started getting a lot of clients lately. You know what that means. More work.
Okay. You should consider employing people to help you.
I will. I'm already on that. Why not sit down? Let me get you something.
No, I'm okay. I have a new client for you. Yeah. She wants to open a market in Canada, and she needs a local farmer.
Yeah.
Yes.
I can do that now. I can do it. I'm ready.
Are you serious? We go and see her on 16th in city.
Okay, on the 16th.
Yeah, 16th.
Yeah, that works perfectly. I'll be free on that day.
Okay. So meet me at my house at 10 a.m. so that we proceed.
Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you. Are you sure you don't want
No, I don't need anything. I'm okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Thomas. I'll meet you 17th. It's a good day.
Yeah, confirm.
Thank you.
So that we proceed to the city.
Yes.
She knows I don't like to do bitter leaf. She knows it. But she want to sleep anytime you ask her to go to an island. Oh, only Jane, no. You know I don't like doing bitter leaf, that this thing is your work. And you know it's your work. You just want to waste time there so that I will wash it. But thank God now, you have met me here. So continue from where I stopped.
Let me help you.
No, stop. Go and check that Ede.
Let me help you.
Go and check the banga and Ede in the fire.
Rita. Rita, I saw Lisa today. Why are you easy? If you see Olisa, hey! Rita, if you see Olisa, okay, konoko.
Is that why you are hitting me?
It's because we are not there. If you see Olisa was way dressed. I don't know that Olisa have this kind of clothes too. Eh? Ihoya. I think he was going to the city.
Who told you he was going to the city?
I saw him on that road that leads to the city. See, Rita, let me tell you, whatever grudges you are holding against him, better drop it. Eh? Because very soon, Olisa will become very rich. The way I'm seeing it, he will become very, very rich.
Speculations.
Your dreams are lying and you are saying speculations.
What do you mean by my dreams are lying? What kind of nonsense stuff is that one?
Rita, see, let me tell you. Papa will be going to the church today to have a meeting with the parish priest and Olisa. They want to make him the new catechist.
Catechist? I be assistant catechist.
Sorry.
Hey, don't touch me again.
Sorry, assistant catechist. And who knows, he will marry you. I know he must marry you because you love him. Once Olisa becomes the new catechist now, and you know that he will be the catechist with money, enough money. See, Rita, let me tell you, better play your cards well. Play your cards well. Stop all these things you are doing. I don't like it. Rita, think about it. No, I always tell you the truth. Come on, you do your thing.
For everything you do, you must do in a
Which color of card did you want?
Try. If you want to talk in a holy way. Even if you want to laugh, do one like a child of God. What if you want to make friends? Oh, be careful, Aye, bachala nyagio. You must be holy. You want to go to be a palo. Fear, abomination. You must go for confession for a very bad decision. It's a legal or don't. Abomination. You must go for confession for a very bad decision. And the only solution, you must be holy, 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 holy,
Good afternoon, Father. Yes, I'll soon be there with Olisa. I'm just waiting for him to meet me in church. Yes, Father, I understand. Thank you. Thank you.
In whatever you do, try to do it right. For everything you do, you must do in a holy way. Try. If you want to talk in a holy way. Even if you want to laugh, do one like a child of God. What if you want to make friends? Oh, be careful, Aye, bachala nyagio. You must be holy. You want to go to be a palo. Fear, abomination. You must go for confession for a very bad decision. It's a legal or don't. Abomination. You must go for confession for a very bad decision. And the only solution, you must be holy, 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 because if you do good, kingdom, good, kingdom, only good, kingdom is waiting for you. And if you do bad, no more kingdom, bad, no more kingdom, bad, no more kingdom is waiting for you.
T.
I'm sorry, Father, for wasting your time. I told him today's 16th. Let me go to his house and find out what the problem is. Please, Father, please. Please. Thank you. Olisa. 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 Amara. 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 Amara.
Lisa.
Amara, are you okay?
Sir.
Amara, are you okay?
I missed you. Come.
Amara, what's wrong?
Abomination!
It's not what you think.
Baba!
Nothing happened.
Hey! Hey! Baba!
Nothing happened.
Hey!
Rita! Rita, come back here. Rita!
Papa, you are such a disgrace. I'm sorry to say that. Papa, you! What do you expect the villagers to say? That the cat kid. God forbid. Papa, I'm ashamed. Papa, what do you expect the people of this village to say?
My daughter, please. You totally misunderstand the whole situation.
Papa, don't daughter me. I don't want to hear that daughter. Don't daughter me. I am not a daughter to a man who cannot even resist small temptation. You did not even go to the wilderness, so just small temptation, you cannot resist it.
Rita, I'm still your father.
At this point, I wish you are not my father. I am telling you, because it's a big disgrace to have you as a father now for this kind of abomination, atrocity. It is better you just close your mouth. Oh. Don't talk again, no, because you committed atrocity.
Rita, don't you think we are being too harsh on Papa? He said it's just a misunderstanding.
Which is a misunderstanding? Imagine, Grace, if the table were to turn around and we are the one frolicking with a man in Papa's sitting room. This Papa that I know.
It's different. This one is different. You just have to calm down, please.
Oh, to Amara. This same Amara, one Amara. The same Amara that is going with Olisa. Free. Hey!
Leave me.
Papa, I just got an idea now. Hey! God is good. All the time. Something just entered my head now.
You must know the holy. You want to go to their palace. Fear, abomination. You must go for confession for a very bad decision. It's a legal or don't go. Abomination. You must go for confession for a very bad decision.
Sister, leave my way. I see you're not satisfied with the beating I gave you the last time.
No, excuse me. So you still have the mouth to talk?
Of course. You can see a mouth on my face.
And that your mouth is supposed to be cut off after what you did with my father. Ashara.
What are you talking about?
Hey! Is this how low your prostitute memory is?
Rita, I swear, if you call me that one more time, what I will do to you...
But you're a prostitute now. If you call me that one more time, don't even try it with me. Are you not a prostitute? I shall want 10 but that is what you are. Everybody in this village knows that. Now why are you running from your name? You are a prostitute. That is what you are. So will you beat me? You think I did not see what you did with my father? Oh, you're pretending like you cannot remember. What you did with my father in Olisa's house. Had it been that I did not come on time, I can't even imagine what the two of you would have done, the extent you would have gone to. Wait, let me explain to me.
So that means I didn't mean I did not come on time. Unugana. Hey! God forbid. Hey, young girl like you.
Amara, are you okay?
Sir.
Amara, are you okay?
I missed you, Paul.
Amara, what's wrong?
Hey, see, let me tell you something. I don't like all those pretentious spirit. Bah. Me, he that is in me is greater than he that is in you. Let me just tell you now. So it is better for you to just respect yourself. You know that anything you touch, you destroy it. I don't want you to touch Olisa and destroy Olisa. Stay away from Olisa. If you don't want me, the way I am now, if I see Olisa, I'll just open my mouth. I'll start spilling everything that I saw. And you know now, Olisa, no man wants to stay with Ashawo. But if you want me to respect myself, nobody will hear this. Just gently stay away from Olisa. Are you hearing me? Because if you don't stay away from him, hey, the way I will open my mouth, even you will be begging me. I will just open my mouth and start telling him how cheap you are, how you are a prostitute, how you used to sleep with people's husband, people, married men, adult men. That's the people you are sleeping with. Choose between it, the two of them. Just choose which one will be good for you. If it's to continue akuna, or I should go and just run away from Olisa so that I will not talk. But no, the devil, you prefer the devil to use you as a point of contact. Right? Because of your akuna nation, no. I've forgotten that I came from this side. Come on for a round, let me see somebody bazooka. Nonsense. I cover people's husband in this village with the blood of Jesus. I cover all the married men with the blood of Jesus. Because you are just like Ekene. Once any small thing, you just open. It's many nylon that they use to touch you.
I'm still owing this 3 tubers of yam. Hi. This thing is not adding up. Amara. Amara, what is it? Amara, what is going on?
Good day, ma.
Good day, Olisa. How are you?
I'm fine, ma. And you? How are you?
I'm fine.
Mama, I'm looking for Amara. I don't know if she's inside.
Amara is not around. I sent her to the next town, and from the look of things, she will not come back today.
You mean the neighboring town?
Yes.
I never knew you people had family members there too.
Olisa, there are so many things you do not know about us.
Okay, ma, when she comes back, just tell her I looked for her. I just wanted to say thank you.
It's fine. It's okay.
All right.
Ngwanu.
All right, I'll go now.
Okay. Bye-bye. Amara! 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 Come out. Amara, what is your problem? What exactly is wrong with you? Because I don't understand you anymore. Why are you running away from Olisa? Amara, listen to me. Listen very well. You see that boy Olisa? He is one of the good boys we have in this town with a very good future. So whatever problem it is you have with him, better go and settle it and stop making me to lie like a child. See the way I just lied to the boy like that? I hear sobbing. One of these days. Don't you think you have to rest now? At least you have read enough. Amara. Amara!
Mommy.
Amara, what is going on?
How?
Amara, I am your mother. And I know when my child is bothered. What is happening?
Mommy, nothing is happening.
Is this about Olisa? Because I notice he no longer comes to the bar. And you have not been going for BCC. Did you fight? Amara.
Mommy, this is not about Olisa. I'm reading.
Well, if you say so. Anyway, I am off to the shop. Take your time and rest. I will take care of everything there. You can come when you're free, okay?
In whatever you do, try to do it right. Oh. For everything you do, you must do in a holy.
He hasn't told me anything much, but I'm getting through to him.
How?
He allowed me feed him for the first time yesterday. I'm telling you, he no longer complains about my character or anything. He does not even complain. Very soon, the way I'm seeing it, before this month runs out, he will come and ask around the marriage.
But what if Amara comes back?
I'll be doing her a favor.
Yeah.
Do you know that if I open my mouth and spill what I saw to Olisa, he will just hate her instantly. For me to keep the secret, I'm even doing her a favor. So forget that one. She will not even try it.
So she will not have any choice than to walk away.
Exactly. The Olisa I know will want to get married to a righteous woman. And Amara is not a righteous woman. She's not not to talk of shoes.
Well, at this point, I don't care. I heard that Olisa signed a big deal in the city. Hi, my brother-in-law is very rich.
God is good.
All the time.
It's not about the riches. It's about my love. The love I have for him. My own is that he must marry me.
Rita, you and
by the grace of God.
I'm so sorry. That day I went to meet with one of my customers. We had a very long meeting. It turned out longer than I expected. And my phone had already died too.
Well, it's fine. Father Matthew has agreed to another meeting.
Kati, about that I'm not really sure
Oh, Lisa. I thought we moved past this.
Yes, but you know I have a lot of customers now. So the workload will be too much. And then I'm not sure I'll still give much time to church as before.
Lisa.
I'm not saying I'm abandoning church. You see the normal morning masses, Sunday masses, association, I would come, but anything other than that, it will be too stressful, considering all the work that I have.
I guess Rita must have told you what transpired between Amara and I. That is why you see everything I represent as unholy. Just like Rita. And that is why you do not want to have anything to do with me.
I don't understand.
See, There is something you must know, Lisa. I never intended to be caught in such a controversial position with Amara. Besides, Rita misunderstood the whole thing and blew it out of proportion. It is not really what it seems. I want you to understand that.
Katie, what exactly are you talking about?
Rita didn't tell you anything?
Tell me what?
Olisa, I'm very sorry, Olisa. I'm so sorry.
Katie, honestly, I don't understand what you're saying. Please explain to me. What did Rita... Rita did not tell me anything. What are you saying?
It's a legal or don't abomination. You must go for confession.
What I've been trying to tell you. The more you meditate on this word, the more help you get. You know, guys, it's our need. There is nothing you can do without it. And the Bible says, I will walk the walk of he that sent me. What is it? So everything must happen. Before anything. You know how it is?
Catechist.
Yes, madam.
Reverend Father Matthew asked me to call you.
Okay, wants to see me?
Yeah.
It's all right. It's all right.
Rita! 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 Come here.
Olisa, what is it?
What happened between Amara and your father?
Oh! Hey! Chai, only. I am... Chai, you are surprised that this is the woman you wanted to leave me for.
Rita, I said, what happened?
Well, since she opened her gutter of a mouth to talk, after I told her not to talk, oh yeah, let's start talking now. I caught her and my father doing blah blah blah. Doing blah blah blah. Lala. No, they were doing things in your house.
Why would you tell her not to tell me?
Because I want to save you from disaster. Because she's not the kind of girl that is supposed to be seen around you.
And are you?
Oh, Lisa. Me, daughter of Zion.
Rita, you exploited an innocent girl because of your desperation to end up with me.
Who is an innocent girl? That retired prostitute. That girl that seduced you.
Well, that's how you see it. I invited Amara to my house. What was your father doing there?
He probably came to see you now. Don't my father come to see you normally?
When I got home that night, Amara was very drunk on my couch because I gave her my house keys. Because I knew she was coming to my house and we were going to celebrate together. What was your father doing there? Wait, could it be that your father walked in on Amara drunk and decided to take advantage of her?
Are you okay? What is wrong with you? How dare you?
That is exactly how I see it, and I'm going to report that to the parish priest now.
Hey, what is wrong with you? It hasn't gotten to that.
He has gotten to that.
You want to accuse my father falsely? For what? My father is innocent. It is that Akuna, that girl, that cheap harlot, that you should go and disgrace all over the village. She's cheap.
I did not take advantage of her. When I walked into your house, she thought I was you. I tried to stop her, and Rita walked in. I do not know how it got to the ears of the parish priest. I was summoned and asked to resign.
What? Resign?
Fortunately so.
How? Where?
Papa.
When, Papa? Why? So I'm no longer going to be the daughter of Kate, the catechist's daughter. Ha! That's not going to be possible.
Are you not happy? You should be happy. Are you not?
Olisa.
I just don't understand how the little 15-year-old girl that I used to like so much grew up into this judgmental and hypocritical Christian.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, I'm talking to you, Rita. If you had handled this matter like a sane person, your father would still have his job.
But I don't know how this thing got to the parish house. I didn't say anything to anybody.
What were you expecting? You judged him from the onset, so what were you really expecting?
I did not judge him fully, I judged him partially.
that you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be very ashamed of yourself. If you think Christianity is all about this nonsense you're wearing, Christianity is all about love. You should love your neighbor as you love yourself. Not this nonsense. Peter, you judge everyone around you. Look at how miserable you make everyone around you. You judge this one, you judge that one, you judge Amara, you even judged your own father. You need help. You need help because you don't even know God yourself. And listen, I don't want to be one of the miserable people in your life. So stay away from me. Stop coming to my house, stop coming to my farm, and stop bringing me your miserable food that is not even sweet.
Jesus. My chest. Heartbreak. Papa. Grace, do I make you to feel miserable?
Rita, you talk too much. You're too troublesome, Rita. You are too troublesome.
In whatever you do, try to do it right, oh. For everything you do, you must do in a holy way. Try. If you want to talk, talk in a holy way. Even if you want to laugh, do am like a child of God. What if you want to make friends? Oh, be careful.
Oh, Lisa. How are you? Mama. Dear, please lock up the shop. I'm going, oh. I'm tired. And don't waste time, Biko. Okay, Mama.
What are you doing here?
Amara, please, you need to stop avoiding me.
This is late. I need to lock the
Amara,
phone.
I know everything.
Do you know about me and the catechist?
Yes. Rita told me everything. And I am not judging you. Amara, I love you the way you are.
I'm sorry.
You don't need to be sorry, okay? Come.
In whatever you do, try to do it right, oh. For everything you do, you must do in a holy way. Try. If you want to talk, talk in a holy way. Even if you want to laugh, do am like a child of God. What if you want to make friends? Oh, be careful, oh. Aye, bachala nyagio. You must be holy. You want to go to be a palo. Fear, abomination. You must go for confession for a very bad decision. It's a legal no don't. Abomination. You must go for confession for a